Good afternoon, everyone. I'm 3 News Now Chief Meteorologist Mark Stitz. We started the day off with some scattered storms and another round on the way later on today, thanks to a cold front passing through the area. But before it gets here, it is going to be windy and warmer. If we can stay dry long enough, temperatures across the metro topping out near 80 degrees. But here comes that cold front at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. With it, a few hit and miss storms will start to pop up. Now, at first, across eastern Nebraska, I think a number of areas will get missed by those hit and miss storms. And then as we get closer towards the Omaha metro, probably with the window of 3 to 5 o'clock this afternoon. So if it's a little bit on the slower side, could impact the evening commute. Then the cold front continues to push farther east, so by 5, 6, 7 o'clock, more of these thunderstorms beginning to pop up, and they're strengthening at that point as they push into southwest Iowa, northwest Missouri, and far southeast Nebraska. The worst of the storms should be out of here then by 7 o'clock tonight. The problem is some of these storms could be strong to severe. Biggest concerns we have, some pockets of large hail and the potential for a couple of tornadoes across the region, but that's not a guarantee, and they would not be as long-lived as the ones we saw on Friday. Now, if the storms eventually form into a line, that would lower the two threats for I just mentioned, but it would also increase the damaging wind threat. But that probably isn't going to happen until it gets more into central parts of Iowa. Then overnight into Wednesday morning, we clear out, but the clouds return for tomorrow morning. Maybe a little bit of light rain out there with temperatures in the upper 40s, but a better chance of showers and thunderstorms coming later in the day. I think by lunchtime, really throughout the late morning, some of those showers and storms pushing into areas south of I-80, but a better chance of that into the early afternoon. And I think by mid-afternoon, more of those showers and storms pushing into the Omaha metro. And yes, a couple of those could also be strong to severe, but I think our main concerns would probably be southeast of Omaha for some hail and strong wind. But as far as today's severe weather potential, again, the storms will strengthen and become more widespread across southwest Iowa, far southeast Nebraska, northwest Missouri. So that's why those areas in brown highlighted as a 3 of 5, whereas eastern Nebraska there in yellow, a 2 of 5 on the threat scale, so one level lower. But today, again, those scattered storms coming after we get close to 80 degrees. Tomorrow, more showers and storms, cooler at 70 degrees. And then some of that rain even continues into Thursday. So even the severe weather threat isn't as high on Wednesday. We also have the concern for some flash flooding in addition to other things. Then Thursday afternoon, we're finally dry, breezy, highs near 69. Friday near 70 degrees. And then as we go into Friday night, may have to dodge a few more showers and storms. A lot drier than over the weekend. Saturday upper 60s and pushing well into the 70s early next week.